What's up, Phantom Physics, episode 3. What's happening, physics class? It is Sunday night. Hopefully you're watching this. Let you guys know. Make sure you copy the examples and follow along. There's only 2 of them, and they're pretty obvious. They say example next to them. Alright, as always, I'm joined by my co-host, Butters the Frightened Kitten. Today we'll be talking about translation. No, not like translation like into something English. No, that's language translation. Well, when you language translate something, if that's even a word to say, what you're doing is you're changing its language from one thing. The meaning is the same, but you get the point. Translation of an object means to literally change its position in space. It can be in 3 dimensions, 2 dimensions, 1 dimension. We're going to start off with things in 1 dimension, and then we'll work our way up because I know you guys are pretty nifty with the calculus and such. So, in 1 dimension, we use positive and negative variables to show, well, something going forward and something going back. What I mean by this is we're going to start looking at velocity. So this is example 1. This is Usain Bolt. He could probably run around, I don't know, let's say 25 miles per hour. That's insanely fast for a human being. And he set some records because of it. If he travels 25 miles per hour, that means he could travel 25 miles in 1 hour. That's why they call it that. For the most part, we're not going to be using miles per hour. Let's say he's able to do the 100-meter dash in 6 seconds. So that's 100 meters in 6 seconds. What's his velocity? Well, velocity is a translation that shows relationship between time and translation. So that means he's traveling 100 meters in 6 seconds. This is example 2. Go ahead and write this down. Alright, now that you've gotten this down, example 2, we're going to calculate velocity. For velocity, you need 2 things, and here's the equation. Velocity equals distance divided by time. If you know that, then you know something's velocity. Now, Butters, what do you think? I don't know. He doesn't speak English. Okay, well, let's just do this example here. Alright, this example's pretty straightforward, but if you traveled 1,000 meters in 10 seconds, that's pretty quick. Let's do the math and find the velocity, or at least your average velocity. So, 1,000 is our distance, plug that in. Time is going to be 10 seconds. And what we do is we just do the math. We divide. And we get 100 meters per second. Just as simple as that. Make sure you get it down. And today, or I should say tonight's death metal band reference is Skeleton Witch.